nothing to me. E-boys like you every dinner. I don't believe what you preach. You're just a rookie beginner. Hang out with boys in the streets. Like that will make you a winner. I don't believe what I see. Why you wearing gold? You're nothing more than silverware. Thinking you're so bold, but all you are is unaware. Walk around like everything belongs to you.
Hello, welcome back to my channel. So I'm really excited today for the video today because it has been the thing that I wanted to do for so long, which is the unboxing video. If you are new here, my name is Pam, and before COVID I used to go to Oakland because I have to attend class there, and my house is in Concord and I don't drive, so I have to walk a little bit to BART station, and then I take the BART train and then walk a little bit to class. So that was super adventurous for morning and evening. And before, I like to dress up and I like to wear a skirt or dress and carry a bag. So that is a changing point because I love carrying a bag, like a girly bag. And I have been encountered with so many situations that I think is not safe for me. And so I have to adapt how I dress and also adapt the bag that I even carry. And I found out this brand and I think this is super practical. Let me introduce you to my little bad boy here. I'm so excited, to be honest. I will give you a full review after the unboxing, okay? My first bag of Dagne Dover, I was too excited that I cannot wait to do the unboxing video, but to this one I waited for like 3 days until I'm ready to do this.
This brand, oh my gosh, I think it's super famous in USA. The flagship store, I believe, is in Manhattan.
I bought it because I spotted it was on sale. The medium size is at $155 and it currently sells for $89, and also I can buy using the Afterpay, which is the install, so you only pay like $23 a month for 4 months, so it's pretty cool. Receipt or ooh.
And they gave me in the little paper, what do you call it? I put this bubble that has it just, to protect the bumping.
And the bag. Oh, I'm excited. Okay, I'm gonna throw this away. So this is the medium size of Dagne Dover, and they already gave this in the dust bag. Even the dust bag is so cool. And when you open it, I'm really excited. Okay, I want to give you a full review. I'm sorry, I'm really bad at cameras. So this is the color that I chose. Oh my god. It's a lime color. It's a new green and I absolutely love it. This is the bag and they have this wrap, and I really love how they pack the product. Really thoughtful and really professional. Okay, so this is the medium size of the Dagne Dover, and this is a duffel and it's called Landon Carryall. I'll give you a full look right here. I am too excited for right now. If you guys are watching until this period of the video, this time of the video, don't forget to subscribe and give me a like too. The first one, you will see this label, they say Dagne Dover, and right here they have a strap. I'm sorry, I meant to say snapped. You can open it like this and then you part it, but when you don't use the bag you can just tap it back. And this is something like a plastic, I don't know what it is, but I feel so satisfied touching it. Right here they have the loops, right? You can attach the shoulder strap here. They have 2 loops at the opposite side of the bag, And this is the zipper. So the zipper, I believe is the metal or plastic, I'm not sure, but it is super chunky and is super sturdy. Let me take this one off. And they even have the side zip snapped. You can snap it off. Okay, so this is the exterior. If you see from my face, this is my happiness. Oh, I forgot to mention, and this bag, this typical brand is so cool because they even have the cell phone pocket in the back, and is super practical because as I told you that I used this kind of bag before, but it is in small size, and I always put my phone there and nobody see it. For the medium size, they have the other back pocket in the back too. I think this one you can put, I don't know, receipt. And this is what the inside is. I'm gonna take this, another, and back card. And this is like a mesh bag. I think this is like a mesh case, which is super cool. And when you got home late, you have to even like jump into the ocean to look for a key, which is super annoying at a time. But this thing, you can just attach your house key, your car key, whatever key. And if it's so late and you don't need to even look for it, you grab the side and then you get your key. In this little mesh case, you can put a lot of things in here. This is the space inside. And don't even forget the shoulder strap here. And they have the loops, which is also plastic or metal, but this loop is super sturdy. For the medium size, what's special in it is they will even give you the shoe bags. You can do a lot of activities in one day carrying one bag. If you want to go hiking after work, you can put your hike shoes in here, or even if you have to go to gym right after work, it's super practical and it's convenient. So
You don't mean nothing to me. E-boys like you every dinner. I don't believe what you preach. You're just a rookie beginner. Hang out with boys on the streets. Like that will make you a winner. I don't believe what I see. Why you wearing gold? You're nothing more than silverware. Thinking
okay, and let's talk a little bit about this bag. They have 5 sizes. They have XS, S, medium, large, and I don't know, like extra large. And they also have 13 colors. I have looked on the website. The story is really interesting because they say that all the materials that they shows for the bag is cruelty free, like nothing related to animal. And for this leather, is called neoprene leather, which is earth friendly. And they even claim that all the return product that they got, they will resend it to the single mom out there that might need it. You can look up at the story at the website, which I think is really cool. I love and I support the product that is earth friendly, affordable, worthy, and I think Dagne Dover is just answer all of these questions. So I am 5.1 feet, so this is how it looks when I carried it. This is a little big. I recommend if those have to carry laptop with you, so this is perfect size. If you like this video, just hit the like button and hit the red button to subscribe. Bye bye, we'll see you next video.